Buying American Airlines miles. Purchasing American Airlines AAdvantage miles can be useful when you need a small boost to reach an award ticket or want to upgrade a flight. However, miles can be expensive compared to their actual value, so it's important to buy strategically. 1. How to buy American Airlines AAdvantage miles. Log into your AAdvantage account on the American Airlines website. Navigate to the Buy, Gift, or Transfer Miles section. Select the number of miles you want to purchase. Complete the payment, and miles will be credited to your account. 2. Cost of buying miles. The price per mile varies based on quantity and promotions. Typically, miles cost around 2.5 to 3 cents per mile, but discounts and bonus miles can lower the price. Members can buy between 2,000 and 150,000 miles per year. 3. When should you buy miles? Buying miles is not always the best value, but it can be useful if you need extra miles to book an award flight. There's a limited time promotion offering bonus miles. You want to book an upgrade using miles. You're close to an elite status tier and need more miles to qualify. 4. When should you avoid buying miles? If the total cost of purchasing miles exceeds the price of a regular ticket, if you don't have an immediate redemption plan, since AAdvantage miles can devalue over time. 5. Alternative ways to earn AAdvantage miles. Instead of buying miles, consider earning miles through AAdvantage credit cards with everyday purchases. Booking flights on American Airlines or partner airlines to accumulate miles. Using AAdvantage e-shopping, dining, and hotel partners to earn extra miles. 6. Do AAdvantage miles expire? Yes, AAdvantage miles expire after 24 months of inactivity. Purchasing miles counts as activity, so it can help extend your balance. 7. Is buying Advantage miles worth it? Yes, if you need just a few miles to complete an award booking. No, if the cost of buying miles is higher than paying for a flight directly. Buying American Airlines miles can be a useful tool when done strategically, but in most cases, earning miles through flights, promotions, and credit card spending is a better value. Always compare the cost of miles versus the price of a regular ticket before making a purchase.